as we walk.
When I was walking back from the concert, that's what I was doing.
Car. It hits your car.
Hey,
My car is black. Oh no!
and so far away. Now I understand why people set chairs
you
out
start
here.
walking to the left, because we're not gonna get through the fireworks.
People, drunk people.
Yeah, that's why I said start walking to the left. I'm not gonna let you walk within 200 meters of those.
They like put on an awesome show.
Yes, they did.
I was very impressed.
I like Fort Stewart now. A little bit. Just a little bit though.
Just a little
That
bit.
was so fucking worth it. It was really worth it. Yeah.
It was, and we made our
funny,
way
I didn't
all the
understand.
way to the front. I think I got some good pictures, Bradford, but I'm not sure.
We're not done tonight.
The finale. I know. I gotta go by Casey's and then I guess to
Tell
Thornton.
Casey to come out with us.
I'm trying to. We should go by. Well, it's not just her. It's like a bunch of people. That's what I'm saying. We'll bring them all. Is that it? Oh.
No. That's the
They should
finale,
make
that's
one that says
lame.
Happy Birthday P Squared.
Pretty big.
Woo!
This is the closest I think I've ever been to a fireworks show like this.
I know. Usually there's like so many people and
Well, yeah. All the people were over there.
I know.
Nice.
And now they're just trying to get home.
Yep. It's raining. Oh, that's not rain.
Now they're gonna start another fire.
A little bit. I just want to take this to the side of my forehead.